I don't even know if we ended up I think we did. Honestly, I don't even know if there's like a judges panel that says this is a boat or this isn't a boat. So today, my challenge is to communicate to Callista how to fold a paper boat. So start by folding the paper in half. No, turn it around. Grab that corner on the left. Yep. Fold it towards you, but at the halfway point. Press down. Yep. And grab the other bottom. And then fold it again.
Like this?
Yeah, I think so. Okay.
Okay.
I think that's it.
It looks like a house.
But to me, yes, I think we did an okay job.
I think we needed more time.
Yeah, I think we need more time, and it would just be easier if we could communicate better.
And that I could see what I was doing.
Yeah. Hey Humber, if you're looking to improve on your skills, make sure to check out Humber's new program, Skills Quest.